Hi, folks. Hope you are doing well. In this session, we are going to discuss on how you can create a local listening or local SEO for your business on Google My Business. Most often we ignore this, but probably this is one of those SEO techniques which brings you the maximum conversion. That is to say, if somebody is looking for something, for instance, I go on to my Google and check for instance, bakery near me. Okay, so if I'm searching for something which is location based, now you would see these kind of things pop up, right? Fancy superstore, Shiv Shakti bakery, marvelous cakes. So, do you think this is going to be important? Of course, this is something that's going to fetch you business because if somebody is looking for a bakery near himself or herself, that is to say, the intent of purchase is quite high. So the conversion rates could be quite high. So if you are ignoring this, the local SEO aspect for your business, that is to say, you are losing quite a lot of business and local presence on the search engines. So the first step for this, what to do? You have to go to Google My Business and create an account and verify. So the objective of this session is to guide you and demonstrate how you can set up your Google My Business account and improve your local SEO. Fine, ready? So first we visit this. You can simply go to Google and you can search for, just simply search Google My Business. So the first thing that you get, okay, Google My Business, that's it. This is the place where you need to be, and this is where I reach. Now, this is how it looks. So, just if I take you through this, engage with customers on Google for free. So, one most important thing is this platform is entirely free. You don't have to pay anything. Get customers with a great business profile. Yes, these are the advantages. And give customers ways to reach you. That is to say, you can give them options like call, directions, message. Okay, and find out how many people are connecting with you on Google, your engagement, and all those things. Okay, so this is something that's going to be great for your business. Now, how we can do it? First and foremost, sign in with your any of your Gmail IDs. So I've signed in. Now, let's say, for example, I want to check. Now, if your business is already listed, okay, so the moment you type, for instance, let us say this is my business. If it is already listed, it would be appearing this way, okay. So there are many, but none of them is mine, okay. So I have to create, add your business to Google. So the businesses that were listed were not mine. So can't find your business. Yes, I couldn't find my business. So add your business to Google. Now let's start adding. Okay. Now, for instance, let us say my business name, RD Digital Marketing Academy. Okay. So I want to create a business with this name. Correct. So I continue. Now, what is this business category? Okay. So you have to choose, it may give you certain options. Here, the thing is, you have to choose whichever is closest to your business category. For example, let us say I would check digital marketing. So I don't find any digital marketing over here. So let me check internet marketing. Yeah. So internet marketing services, this is fine. I go ahead. I say next. Now, do you want to add a location customer can visit like a store or office? Of course, yes, this is what I want to do, right? So I want to add a location. I want to show people that I exist near them so they can reach out to me. So what is my address? Okay, so I'm located in India. So the street address, let us say Google fills this thing for me. So, okay, I've done this. Now state is in Punjab. I just select Punjab. right? So these are some fictitious addresses that I'm just creating for demonstration purposes. Now, where are you located? Now, this is what you have to be very, very careful with. Okay. So I have to understand where I'm exactly located. So if I just try to zoom in, this is where, okay. Yeah. So this is somewhere. Now you have to drag it and you have to understand where it is. So I am located somewhere here. Okay. I am located somewhere here. So you have to be very precise. Okay. So I'm located here. I've dragged and I have set my location. I say next. Now, the point is, do you also serve customers outside this location? Now, the point is, if I am an academy where students come and study over here, then I don't serve. Okay. For instance, let us say if people can hire me and I can go to other places, I can go out, probably yes. Okay. And if I have some various branches across the city, then probably I can say yes. But in my case, for instance, no, this is the only location. So I would say no, I do not. And I proceed by clicking next. Now I need a phone number, a contact phone number. Just I can enter any phone number. Okay. Uh, okay. So I've entered some phone number. If you want a website to be listed, so you can publish your website. For instance, let us say we have created some WordPress free domain website. Okay. So that's fine. I would use it just for the demonstration purpose. Okay. So I'm using that URL for my demonstration purposes. If you don't have a website, nothing to worry. Okay. I don't need a website is fine. Okay. Or else you can just get Google also offers you a basic free website just to publish your information. Okay. So for the time being, I'm using my free domain. I can go ahead and say yes, next. Okay, now finish and manage this listing. Now you will be able to manage our RD Digital Academy on Google. Now I would say finish. Okay. Now this is one thing very, very important. Now once you have set up, you may have to verify. Okay, not may. This is mandatory. Okay, you may have to verify your business. Okay, for which Google sends you a physical postcard which has a code. Okay, and when you verify your account, once you receive that physical postcard, you have to punch in that code into your account in order to verify. Okay, so you can just give a name, like for example, I'm giving Rajesh Dorbala. This is my name. Okay, I can just set up this mail. Okay, so now this is postcard is coming and you will get the postcard verification code and next steps in about 12 days. Okay, now I can continue. Okay, now it says, what other services do you offer? Okay, I do affiliate marketing. Yeah, okay. I do digital marketing. I do content marketing. I do direct mail. Okay. So these are some services probably I can offer. So I've selected some services. So Google is suggesting you all these things. See, it's a beautiful thing, right? Now I can save this. Okay. Now I can add the business hours. So Sunday, I prefer to keep it closed. Okay. On Monday, let us open. Tuesday, let us open. Wednesday, let us open. Thursday, let us open. Friday, let us open. So the weekends, I will remain closed. So Monday, when do I open? Let us say I function only in the evening hours. Okay. So I can easily say, like, I'm available from 6:30 p.m. to probably, I would say, 10 p.m. Okay, the same thing. 6:30 p.m. Okay, to 10 p.m. So you have to set up all these things. Okay, 6:30 to 10. Okay, now it's taking time, but it's important that you need to set up your account properly. Okay, because customers need to get all the information about you. So they need to know when you are open, when you are closed. And once this kind of information is available to the customer, your information becomes more reliable, dependable, and customers like to interact with businesses, which have complete information available, correct? So if you have some, half-baked information provided to the customer may not be very interested in contacting you or reaching out to you. So it's quite important that you give all the complete information that is required. So let me fill it up. I'm just at the last stage of filling out the information. So just have patience. Yep. Save. I filled all the business hours. Now I need to put some description. Okay. So we at RD Digital Marketing Academy provide training and consulting for small and medium size businesses for building their online and digital presence. You can contact us for website building, social media marketing, content marketing, SEO, and other allied services. Right? So this is what the description I filled. Now I can save it. Still I can improve. Yep. Now I save it. See, I'm taking you through the entire thing, okay, so that it becomes easy for you to fill up things. Right now I don't have any pictures, so I would definitely skip this step. But it's important, it's very important that you need to have great pictures listed out over here, okay, because pictures are something that would definitely attract your customers. Now let me continue. Okay, now welcome to Google My Business. Yeah, see, now I'm set up, all set up. Now this is my dashboard. Now this is asking for us feedback. Okay, I'm satisfied, I'm very satisfied. Okay, now how valuable is extremely valuable, so it's taking my feedback. Now I don't know, now it's asking too much. Okay, now there are certain things. Now it's more important that now you see pending verification. You requested a verification postcard on 31st January, and most postcards arrive by 12 days, within 12 days. That's fine. So these are certain things that now complete your business profile. Now I almost have completed 80% of my profile. Now I want to add a logo. Yeah, I can add a logo. I have a logo ready. So this is what something it, you know, now let me add a logo. I have some logo available with me. Let me check. Okay. So this is one logo I have uploaded. So this will build my profile much better. Great. Okay. So it says I need to just, you have to crop your image, your logo. Yeah, now this is fine. So my logo is added. Done. Good. So it is not verified. It will take for me to verify. Okay. Now I go back to my home. Now you can see I've added a lot of things. Now this is there. It asks me again to add a logo. I have already added a logo. Okay. Now set it as logo. Done. Okay. Finished. So all these things are done. Now you have your get custom email for your business. These are some paid services. You need to, if you are willing to pay. But what is more important is, see, your business is visible. Now, whatever posts you make, okay, create an offer post. You can just show all the posts that you create, okay, any online, or any codes that you wish to provide. So you can do that. Okay, any further info that you wish to, you know, add, you can just see this is the info. So anything that you wish to add or remove, you can do it from here. Okay, so you can do the insights, discover, verify for insights. I haven't verified. You can start getting reviews. Okay, so verify to reply. Yeah, so whichever reviews I get, I can reply, but I have to again verify. I can get messages. Okay, again the problem is I have to verify. So all the photos, products, services, whatever. Now just see, I have to add some products, so you can add the products. Okay, once the verification is done, so get started, I can add products. I'm just taking you through this. Now select any picture, add a product name, add a category, all these things. Done, save. So this way you can add products. Okay, then services. If you're providing some services, just these are the services that I've provided. Okay, I've provided a website. Now get started. You can easily build a basic website that you wish to. Okay, if you don't have a website, Google can provide you a basic website. Now just see, it has created a basic website. Okay, so I'm not getting into all these things. RD Digital Marketing Academy. So if I want, it is asking me that I can buy this for 860 rupees, this domain. Right now we are not doing any of this. Okay, not doing any of this. I don't want to publish this. Okay, you can see it's creating something for me, but not interested, in fact. Okay, we can do a much better job. It has got all the things. You can see a basic website has been created for me. This is a beautiful thing, but that I'm right now not very interested in all these things. That's the reason I'm avoiding all these. But yes, those businesses which do not have a website, this is going to be a very cool feature. Now users, okay, now I'm the user. If I want to add some users, I can add them. Okay, for instance, let us say I want to add any other person. Okay, now this is one thing I can add. Okay, now let us say I can add any other email. Now what is the role? I can give the owner, manager, site manager. I can provide them the roles. Okay, so this way you can assign responsibilities. Okay, so this is again a cool feature. So this way, there are a lot of things. Now, straight away, you can create an ad for your business over here. Okay, this is going to be a paid one. If I go to this, create an ad, it will take me to ads.google.in. That's again. Okay, so here you can create your advertising. Okay, that's again going to be quite useful. How seamlessly things are integrated, right? So get custom Gmail. Now you can get a Gmail ID, a custom Gmail ID for your business. You can get that service as well from here. That's again. Let's get started. Do you have a business? No, I need one. So this is going to be paid one. Okay. So for instance, let us see. No, I need one. So RD Digital Academy. Now it's asking me to choose a domain. You can see I have rddigitalacademy.com 860. Okay, so you see I have got a good amount of, yeah, I have these kind of offers. So I can use any one of them. I can buy, then I can get a custom, a business email ID. So that's good to have a, dedicated business email ID. But right now we are not interested. So I just, let us say, for example, let us say I select this just for the demonstration purpose. Okay, so this is 860. Next. Okay, now username. I want to, so this is how you will get your email ID. Okay, so something like, let us say, support @rddigitalacademy.com. Okay, whatever password you wish to set up, you can set up. Okay, so I can agree and continue. So this way now I will have support @rddigitalacademy.com. So I'll get a custom URL, custom email. Now I can sign in with that. Okay, so I want to create. No, I don't want to create, or should we? Let us go ahead and check. Okay, now we have detected unusual activity on this account you are trying to access. To continue, please follow the instructions. I don't know what has happened. Okay, so some kind of unusual activity because I did not give a correct phone number. Okay, that is the point. I was giving some dummy phone numbers and all for demonstration purposes. So this way you can set up your custom domain, okay, for email. That is again a very easy and very useful thing for you to do. Okay, so that is another feature that you have in this. Then finally all these things. Okay, add new business if you want, you can add. Okay, and businesses, whatever, get verified, link ads, all these things can be easily accessed and integrated right from Google My Business. So this is going to be one of the best tool that you can start using and integrate with your entire local SEO activities. At one place you can do everything for your business. I hope you found this video to be useful, informative, and very, very helpful to build your online presence for your local businesses. If yes, do like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon. Keep visiting, spread the good word. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.